Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and o. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word must. Must, must. Now the o sound in the word most. Most, most. Now I will use them both in a sentence. She must have the most. She must have the most. She must have the most. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!